Today's video I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone calculator as a currency converter. So first thing, open your calculator, and on the right top corner you will see this calculator button. Just long press on it and then select converter. To change the first input, just click on USD, and here look for the currency you want. You can search here, like I just want to convert SAR, Saudi Riyals, into, let's say, Pakistani rupees. So that's the currency rate right now. So you can also change the type of conversion like angle, area, data, energy, force, fuel. So these are the options which you can utilize with your calculator, and the calculator is fetching this data from Yahoo Finance. To revert the same, all you need to do is just again long press on it and just uncheck the converter. It will go back to the your normal basic calculator. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.